Here's a tutorial for how you can do a zoom in and out transition. Please like and subscribe. First, adjust clips according to Pete. Then use the tiles effect and turn on mirror option. Then use the motion blur effect. These steps are common for all, so copy-paste it. Use the transform effect. Add 2 keyframes in all XYZ axis at the same points. X-axis is left and right, Y is up and down, and Z is zoom in and out. First, increase the second keyframe of Z-axis until your desired zoom. Then adjust X and Y second keyframe until they reach your character's face. Adjust X-axis only if necessary. Here you can see me not using it because it is not needed. Now go to the middle of the keyframes and copy this curve and paste this on all axes. Now adjust the second clip just before the second keyframe. Now add a square shape and make it fill the composition area and copy my effects. Cut the square to about 0.6 seconds and adjust it just before the second clip starts. Add the directional blur effect and add the keyframes 1 in beginning and end. Adjust the first keyframe to 0.5 to 0.7 strength depending on the clip, and next keyframe to 2.0 strength. Add some shakes and voila, you're done.